lagi di Sapa Indonesia. Akhir pekan lihat bagaimana Felix bisa memasak dengan hebatnya tanpa isi wajan.
Oke, saya tidak kalah atraktif kalau sama Chef Gino. So what's next, Chef?
Well, today we're gonna do something a little more complicated.
Yes.
You know, we made the pasta look pretty fun. Even Conchita can make pasta now.
Okay, yeah, I've made my
And today
first
we're gonna
pasta
do another
today.
recipe. I really love this recipe. It's called eggplant parmigiana.
Eggplant parmigiana.
What do
And-
we do with the eggplant?
What?
Well, this is the ingredient, which I think is a local ingredient. You guys have a lot of eggplant
Yeah.
here, right? So
Yeah,
let's
yeah.
go
You know what we call it? Terong.
Terong.
It's terong in
Terong,
Indonesia.
with
It's
T.
bahasa.
Terong.
Terong.
Teron.
Yeah.
Teron. In Italian, it's called, this is interesting, it's called melanzana. You know what that means?
Melanzana.
The insane apple.
The insane apple gila.
Translated in Indonesian.
Apple gila.
You know why? It was considered to be poisonous.
Oh.
So they thought that if you eat it,
Oh,
you
really?
go crazy.
So it's called insane
That's right.
crazy.
Well, when I eat it, I go crazy good because it's good.
Oh, really?
There we go.
We can see it later.
Jadi di Italia dulu tuh sempat ada apa ya? Bisa dibilang mungkin
Ya, sebutannya.
sebutan zaman dulunya ini adalah crazy apple atau apel
Crazy
gila
apple.
karena orang mengira ini adalah versi beracun dari sebuah buah apel.
Ya.
Yang mana orang kalau memakannya itu bisa menjadi gila. Padahal
Seperti dia.
terong enak sekali ya.
Gilanya seperti ini sebetulnya.
Seperti ini contohnya.
Oke.
And look at the chef. What they're doing, they take it away the skin, obviously, right? So
Okay.
we're peeling.
Dikupas.
That's perfect. That's perfect. And we're gonna make some slices, right? You know, I'm gonna have the kids cut it. I use these children-friendly knives. They don't really cut, but they do. So, Chef Matthew, why don't you slice a couple of slices of eggplant? We're
Okay.
gonna slice them like that. Look. See, these knives work. They have to put a little pressure. Perfect. Go. Keep
Okay.
going.
Keep going. It's okay. So, with
Made out of plastic, so it's
That's
very
right.
safe for kids.
So you go a little more like this. Perfect. There we go. You got it. And one more. Perfect.
Yeah.
Beautiful. I love eggplant because there's so much to it, you know, when you eat it. So let's do two for the moment. So we put everything away right here. And then Chef Kathleen, no, you're not going to use this. No. We're going to put it here.
Dangerous
so
for kids.
you guys can take a cookie cutter. And I like to make the eggplant. What happened to all my cookie cutters here? Somebody came and took all my cookie cutters. Where are
Oke,
they?
tampaknya Gino
Oh,
kehilangan
never
salah
mind
satu
the
peralatannya. Oke, can
All
you
right, so-
explain us the
Absolutely.
ingredients?
So the ingredient is this. I want Chef Matthew to break an egg
Okay.
inside there.
I got it.
Thank you. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have Chef Matthew crack an egg. Look at this.
I see.
Beautiful.
Oh
Yes.
wow.
This is
You're
how
a pro already.
He's a professional, but this is how I do.
Yeah.
Where's the camera?
Uh-huh.
You can do it like this, you can do it like this, or you can do it. Ouch! You can do it like this. All right. Yeah. All right. So.
I'm pretty sure that was the crazy apple effect on it.
That's right. I'm already crazy. So now.
Dia udah keracunan duluan sama terongnya.
So now, while Chef Matthew beat the egg, all right, no, just beat it with this. Just beat it with this. Chef Kathleen is gonna press down on this. Help me.
Oke.
So we're gonna make eggplant parmigiana.
Now become a lovely apple.
That's right.
Lovely
there we go.
apple.
Let's do another one too. Let's do another two,
A
Kathleen.
love-shaped eggplant.
That's right. Keep going. Press down like that, really hard.
Oke.
Beautiful. Beautiful. A little more. Go, I'll help you. Here we go. Beautiful. So, we prepare our nice shape, heart-shaped eggplant parmigiana. We're going to put them first in the egg and then in the breadcrumb.
Oke, jadi
Chef
tepung
Matthew,
ada
a
tepung
little
roti
salt. What is life
dan
without
juga
a little
telur.
salt? There we go. So first
Potong
Matthew
sedemikian
with the
rupa.
fork, take it and put it in the egg.
Hah?
You're pretty much going to do the classic breading of beans. You can do it with meat, you can do it with vegetable. These guys have done it a million times because they're professional chefs in
Really?
international restaurant.
Iya. I see you blink.
Jadi akan di cover dengan breadcrumbs atau remah roti sebelum
That's
akan
right.
digoreng.
Good job, Kathleen. Perfect. That's it.
Nice
Thank you so much,
teamwork.
Lina.
Oke.
Perfect.
That looks so good already.
Oke. So,
So this is the base of the recipe. I think I heard you talking about lasagna.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Lasagna is a sort of a layer recipe. This is the same concept, but instead of layering noodles, we layer fry eggplant.
Oh.
So now we're gonna fry them. Yeah, give it to me.
Wait. Let me explain to the
Yes,
audience again.
yes.
Bahwa ini prinsipnya seperti dengan lasagna. Kalau lasagna Italia itu lapisan adonan
Betul.
biasanya. Terus di antaranya ada
Lapisan
saus
makaroni,
tomat
ya.
dan juga makaroni
That's
atau
right.
apapun itu. Tapi kalau ini Gino menggunakan terong atau eggplant
Jadi
atau
nanti
crazy
terongnya
apple.
setelah digoreng akan ditimpa sama seperti memasak lasagna.
Lasagna. So we're gonna fry them.
Tap on the fryer.
Obviously, if we were gonna cook for a large crowd, we
Yeah.
would fry a lot more. This is just for, we do a simple presentation.
Okay.
So I'm gonna keep the kids away though because it's boiling oil and I don't want it to get hurt. You pretty much cook your eggplant for a few minutes
Only few minutes.
when they
So it
get
doesn't
sort of
take that
golden
long.
brown.
Oh,
When they
oke.
golden brown.
Jadi hanya sebentar saja sampai warnanya
Coklat
coklat keemasan.
keemasan.
Wait, what I love from Italian food is the cheese. And I see that there is
We have two
Yeah,
kinds of
there's
cheese
two
here
kinds
from
of cheese.
Bonacqua.
This one.
This is mozzarella cheese.
mozzarella.
It's the same cheese that goes in pizza. All right, so it's
Yeah,
a
this
fresh.
is like the
It's
most
okay.
common
You
one.
can eat it. You can eat it. It's fresh. It's not very tasty, not super tasty.
Yeah.
But then we're gonna put also the most powerful of all Italian cheeses,
Really?
Parmigiano Reggiano, who's
Parmesan.
from my hometown of Parma. Parmigiano
Mari
Reggiano
kita
is
coba
much more
Parmigiano
flavorful.
Reggiano. Atau parmesan ya? Kalau bahasa
Parmesan.
Indonesia
So,
ya.
Parmesan cheese is from Parma. The
That's
name.
right. In fact, for example, if you have somebody from New York,
Yeah.
you call it a New Yorker. Right?
yeah.
If you have somebody from Parma, you call it Parmesan, like the cheese. So I'm like
So
the
you're-
cheese. I'm like a big cheese.
The ball cheese.
The ball
ball
cheese.
cheese.
That's my new name. The ball cheese.
Yeah.
Don't keep me hanging.
Yeah.
So these cheeses are classic Italian.
Yeah.
See, you have to understand something, Conchita. Italian cooking is very simple, as you can see. Children can do it. But the ingredients are very important. If you
Yeah.
make pizza, you do need to use mozzarella. If you want a simple thing with a more intense flavoring, you do need to use Parmigiano Reggiano. Basil, extra virgin olive oil. Few ingredients, but the best.
So you said that Italian food is great for children to learn about cooking.
Absolutely, absolutely. Let me tell you, some cuisine like French, the preparation are a little hard, the
Yeah,
sauce
yeah.
and to
I
make.
see.
But Italian cooking, once you learn how to make pasta like we did, now you learn,
Yeah.
you can make pasta for the rest of your life.
I see.
It's a very, in a way, intuitive kind
Ya,
of cuisine.
atau lebih tepatnya memang makanan Italia tidak begitu
That's
banyak
fine.
pilihan seperti Indonesia ya. Jadi
Betul.
makanya lebih simple, hanya
Mereka
pasta
lebih fokus
basicnya.
saja kepada ingredients atau bahan-bahan dasar
That's
seperti keju
right.
yang digunakan ya.
Oke.
Dan cara memasaknya juga mudah, tidak seperti masakan-masakan di Prancis yang katanya banyak menggunakan saus. Di sini
Yes.
masih lebih mudah dan kid friendly.
Ya,
Very kid-friendly.
seperti
So,
tadi yang dijelaskan
now,
bahwa ada dua jenis cheese.
I want
yang
Chef
juga
Kathleen
menjadi
to put
dasar
a
untuk
little
masakan
bit of
ini.
tomato on this one, just on
Okay.
the first one, okay? Put a little tomato in there.
Jadi akan dilapisi tomat.
Tomato, for example, the classic traditional Italian tomato called San Marzano.
Oke.
Say, San Marzano.
Samarzano.
And she's saying in an Italian way, San Marzano.
Samarzano.
Samarcha.
Which you're gonna put there.
Italian way
Beautiful.
of saying it.
Just a bit. Stop,
Samarzano.
just a bit. Then, Chef Matthew's gonna put a little
Okay.
mozzarella.
Okay.
What's gonna happen? We're gonna put it in the oven, and the mozzarella's gonna melt.
Melt.
Mwah. I love, beautiful. And then, as I say, a little bit of Parmigiano on the top.
Ooh, so it's like a sandwich of eggplant.
That's absolutely right, like a sandwich of eggplant. Now, I'm gonna put this on the top, and they're gonna do it again. Tomato first.
Oke.
When I do it for myself, I do 55 layers.
Oh wow. Oh,
Ya,
wow.
I can see it. Big portion for you.
You never trust a skinny chef, tell them.
Ya, katanya jangan pernah percaya dengan chef
Chef
yang
yang
badannya
badannya
kurus.
kurus.
Percayalah sama chef Tambun seperti satu ini. Karena katanya bisa menghabiskan 50 lapisan terong.
Look, they can do it for the rest of the
Yeah.
day. They already learn how to do it. This one is a little rich because we fry, but I give you a tip. Instead of frying the eggplant, you can grill them or even put them in the oven.
Okay.
Then there's not that much oil. They're a little lighter and there's a lot of flavor too.
Oke, so it's finished. Sudah
Finish.
siap, tinggal
We're gonna put it in
dimasukin.
the oven for, this is small, 10 minutes at 350.
Oke,
Oke.
kita akan masukkan ke oven. Jadi
350
sudah ada
American,
dua
sorry.
masakan tadi yang dimasak oleh chef dan juga anak-anak di sini. Kita akan lihat hasilnya seperti apa dan cicipin bersama. Jadi tetap di Sapa Indonesia Akhir Pekan.